Hello, my name is Gregory Osborne and I create interactive music. I used Unity, C# and Wwise to develop and publish Rave Gazebo, a dance interactive VR album where you remix the songs by gesturing in different directions with your hands. I wanted to jam with others over the internet, and developed a multiplayer looper pedal called Loop Jam. It won a prize.
4 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3.
In Dance Diffusion, the distance between our dancers and the Kinect gets sent over a local area network to Ableton to control live digital signal processing and drum MIDI clips. I used what I learned to create an app for the Meta Quest that broadcasts OSC messages over a local area network to use as a performance tool using just head tracking and no hands.
And also, I have the ability to turn on Echo! I also have these sliders.
This slider does whacking stuff to my voice.
I did the live audio for an interactive VR theater experience. I used a MIDI controller to manually transition my Ableton project between scenes. These are some of my favorite projects I've worked on, but by no means are they the only ones. Come find out more at my website, gosborneaudio.com.